Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're having a look at a 2016 Kia Optima EX with sunroof. The car has alloy wheels, signal repeaters, and a great big panoramic sunroof. Also an absolutely gorgeous blue color. That big green sign in the upper right hand side of the window says that the car qualifies under the Kia Canada Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out those features and benefits when you come down and have a look at this car. Going down the driver's side of the car, we see a sign on the driver's window that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that the car comes with a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio for your use and enjoyment. The car has power windows, locks, and mirrors, has a powered driver's seat with 2-position memories, rear cross traffic alert, a couple of the other functions. This little Optima only has 19,015 kilometers. Pretty low for a 2016. Also on the steering wheel are audio and cruise controls and a few other buttons for functions in the car. We're just going to turn down the fan here. And we'll turn on the radio. And we'll turn it down a bit. As you see, the Sirius XM is on the radio. Shift into reverse. We do have a reverse camera. I think we'll turn that volume down a little bit more. We have dual climate zones here. And down between the seats we have heated seats in the front and a heated steering wheel, as well as a drive mode select. The car also has push button start. Above us, a great big gorgeous panoramic sunroof. For those of you who enjoy the sun, this would be the perfect opportunity once you purchase this car. In the back, we have heated leather seats, which you can hardly see because of the sunshine. There's those leather seats. And at the back of the car, there's a really nice big trunk for carrying anything you need to carry. Maybe some sports equipment, maybe some outdoor gear, some groceries, anything else you need to carry. There's lots of room back here to do that. So this 2016 Kia Optima EX with sunroof is available at West Coast Kia. Come on down, take the car for a ride. See how well the car fits your family, see how well the car fits your lifestyle, see how well your family fits in the car. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays and most holidays. Remember, best way to make an informed decision about the car you're considering, and if you're looking for a new sedan in 2019, is to come down and drive the car. Again, that's West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, 20 minutes from absolutely anywhere.